Get your hand in there and tear all that slime out. Do you want me to help you? Here. Get in there. Get that slime out of there.
I do have.
We'll do it together. Come on.
I do have.
We'll get it. Oh, gotta get it. Gotta get that slime. Oh, pull. Oh, get it out of there. Oh, it's so slimy. Oh, help me.
Oh, don't get on the brush.
Oh, yeah. I mean, I'm sure it's fine. But pull it out. Pull it out. This is actually pretty good slime.
Is it?
Yeah.
There's a lot of it in there.
Yeah. Pull. Oh, so much icky slime. Yeah, that's pretty good.
I think that would make some, that is pretty good.
Yeah.
I think that would make some good brain guts.
Good brain guts indeed. Let's see.
You want to close the head there, buddy?
Can you close his head for me? There we go. Very good. And then let's get in his head here. You ready? Oh, brain guts. Oh. You ready for something cool? It's purple boogers. Have you ever seen purple boogers?
I never did.
We're about to.
Yeah.
So I can get it in there. Can you hold this? Here, hold this slime.
Daddy might be putting too much in.
I might be.
You're gonna have snot coming out forever.
All right, ready? Oh, his eyes are even bothered. Oh, slimy bugger.
It even has a noise to it.
Yeah. Oh, look at them boogers. I can put more boogers in there if you want.
You want to get it off the carpet? Thank you. Yeah.
Okay, you gotta clean that thing every time.
That's pretty gross.
It's easy to get off though. That's pretty good.
Yeah.
See if we got any leftovers in there. Just a little bit left in there.
What do you think of it, buddy?
Is that pretty cool?
Yeah.
I want to know why he's not making any sound, really. What is he doing over there? Wow, look at them boogers. Let's maybe try a little bit of armpit juice.
There's pimples popping over here too on this side.
Okay. Oh, look at that. This looks like it's open.
What about the tush tush?
Oh, tush tush.
It's on the back.
Something came out. A little bit of water came out the back. You just tuned it. You ready? What happens when it's just black? Oh, poopy slime. Poopy slime. Oh, poopy slime. Oh, there, brother. You don't be pooping on us. All right.
You don't poop on that monster.
Spank. You spanked his little butt. Yeah, he cleaned up pretty easy. It's not bad.